Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts.
We are thinking of changing our current situation, which has been this: the sitting area and the dining table. Time to change that. So we went through a lot of sofas and selected a few from each website. So one of the sofas that we saw online, there's a store nearby and the sofa is also available. The store is open till 8 and it's Monday, so we are going there after our office hours. And let's see how it goes. Does it look similar? How's the fabric and everything? And let's see if they give us any discount. We ended up liking the sofa. Let's hit the train. I am all ready with my shoes on, but he's still working. Can you please
Hold on.
Okay, hold on. Let's go.
Pick the keys.
Let's go. We are here at the first stop, DFS, and already liking the vibe. I think it's there, isn't it? Isn't this the one? I am in the store and I like pretty much everything. It is so pretty. Look at this one. It is so cute. See, I want this kind of fabric.
Soft as well,
And soft and not very velvety. I like the color as well.
I don't know if it will fit.
Just this one, I mean, not this part.
That one.
I think just this part. It is going to fit. It's not that big. And I really like this as well. Very cozy space.
Try to find one here.
Which fabric is this? Oh, it's not boucle. Love it. This will be a little too big for our space. How is it? How does it feel? Is it good?
Yeah.
There are more sofas there. I think we need to still look. No, this is something which I don't want.
Where is the one?
We're at the store. The store is totally empty. We're trying to find the sofa that we were looking for. This is not the one.
This is the fabric that we have in India at our home. I think this is the one.
Did you find? Oh, look at this. My God. Do we like it?
It's
And I like the rug as well. But it's boucle. The carol. Okay. Do we like it? Comfy. It's comfy. It's comfy. How do you feel about the legs?
I think it's fine.
Is it fine for your legs?
It's not that like.
Are you feeling like your leg's gonna pain after a while? Can you sit and just watch TV?
Yeah, it's not like the sofa. Basically, you'll be sitting like this. Like we are sitting here. The rug is also nice, right?
Sorry?
Rug is also nice.
You have to imagine the sofa without this.
So these are the options we can get the sofa in. This is this one, which is I think the color that we like as well. Even those chairs looks.
Yeah. These chairs. These are so cute. But no, we can't buy both of them. Both are not going with each other. I think we can just go ahead with one. But we have to be very conscious about all of them are in boucle. It's just that there are color options. But I really like this color, the existing one. It's very bright. How do you feel about the other chair?
This one. It looks classy.
Yeah,
Also the legs.
I mean-
the legs are black, so
it goes with our aesthetic that we were planning.
I think can go for. But let's just try a few more sofas.
Yeah, I think the only issue that I have is that it's going to be very painful to keep it clean. No. Nothing compared to the other one. Nothing compared to the one we were looking at.
And this is also something not for our space.
How come?
That one is also nice, huh?
Yeah, I actually like that.
But it's also
Large. It's different kind of boucle.
What are your thoughts?
I am still contemplating the decision. That's a big one. Although the amount is not that much because we had a little more budget for our sofa.
Yeah, we can get the sofa, a center table, and a rug, and a 5-year protection within the same amount. Plus, it looks aesthetic.
It does.
And I think that service of 170 pounds for 5 years is also reasonable.
Yeah, very reasonable. And 5 years is more than enough. And we can change our sofa in 5 years, after 5 years.
Yeah, exactly. Can think about it.
We can think about it.
Let's see which one we go for. We will decide for a while and then see. What do you want to say?
Finalize on the sofa. We bought it. Yay! We bought it.
All the bigger furnitures are done now.
All the bigger furnitures are done. So it's gonna take 6 weeks to arrive. We'll show you the sofa once it arrives and we have settled it in our living room.
Cool.
I like that. Like really, I was actually worried about the color, but they do offer this care kit in which if we spill anything or there are marks or it gets dirty over time, we can call for their services and they charge very nominal amount. I think it was £170
For 5 years.
for 5 years.